Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 5.4-liter Triton is a V8 engine that was a staple in many of Ford's trucks, SUVs, and even some performance cars for many years, starting in 1997. Here is a list of some of the most common vehicles in which the 5.4-liter Triton engine was installed. Trucks and SUVs. Ford F-150. This is the vehicle most people associate with the 5.4-liter Triton. It was used in the F-150 from 1997 to 2010. Ford F-250/F-350. The engine was also available in the Super Duty lineup for a period. Ford Expedition. The 5.4-liter was the primary V8 option for the Expedition, a full-size SUV, from its introduction in 1997 until around 2014. Ford E-Series vans. This engine was a common choice for Ford's commercial and passenger vans. Ford Explorer/Explorer Sport Track. Certain years of the Explorer and the Explorer Sport Track pickup also used this engine. Lincoln Navigator. As a luxury version of the Expedition, the Navigator used the same 5.4-liter Triton engine for many years. Lincoln Blackwood. This short-lived luxury pickup truck, based on the F-150, also came with a 5.4-liter. Performance cars. Ford Mustang. 2000 Mustang Cobra R. This was a limited production, track-focused model that featured a 5.4-liter DOHC 4-valve engine. 2007 to 2012 Shelby GT500. These iconic muscle cars were powered by supercharged 5.4-liter DOHC 4-valve engine. Ford GT. The 2004 to 2006 Ford GT supercar, a revival of the classic GT40, was equipped with a heavily modified and supercharged 5.4-liter DOHC 4-valve engine. Ford Falcon. Australia. The Australian market also saw the 5.4-liter in various versions of the Ford Falcon sedan, including high-performance models. It's known for its power and versatility, but also for some specific and well-documented issues. Here is a comprehensive breakdown. History and versions. The 5.4-liter Triton is part of the Ford modular engine family. It was introduced in 1997 and was produced until 2010. Over its lifespan, it came in a few different versions, each with its own characteristics and issues. 2-valve. 2V introduced in the 1997 F-150. This version was a SOHC single overhead cam design. It was praised for being a durable workhorse. 3-valve. 3V. This version debuted in 2004 for the redesigned F-150. It was also a SOHC design, but featured variable valve timing, VVT, which improved both power and fuel economy. 4-valve. 4V. This was the high-performance variant, a DOHC, dual overhead cam, design, and was used in limited production vehicles like the Ford Mustang Cobra R, Ford GT, and Shelby GT500. General review and opinions. The 5.4-liter Triton engine has a mixed reputation. Many owners praise its robust, low-end torque, which makes it excellent for towing and hauling. With proper maintenance, these engines have been known to last well over 200,000 miles. However, the engine is also notorious for certain design flaws, particularly in the 3-valve version, that can lead to costly repairs if neglected. Advantages. Power and torque. The engine provides ample torque, making it a great choice for work trucks and SUVs that need to tow or haul heavy loads. Durability. With maintenance, the cast-iron block and aluminum heads balance durability and weight. When well-maintained, particularly with a strict oil change schedule, the engine can be very reliable and long-lasting. Versatility. The engine was used in a wide range of vehicles, from the F-150 and Expedition to the Lincoln Navigator and even the Ford GT. This speaks to its adaptable design. Aftermarket support. Due to its popularity, there is a large and thriving aftermarket for parts and upgrades. Disadvantages and common faults. The most significant downsides of the 5.4-liter Triton are its well-known mechanical problems, which are particularly prevalent in the 3-valve version. Spark plug issues. 2V. Early 2V versions were known for having a lack of threads on the spark plug ports, which could cause spark plugs to be ejected from the cylinder heads. 3V. The 3V version had a two-piece spark plug design that was prone to breaking off inside the cylinder head during removal, leading to difficult and expensive extraction. Timing system problems. This is arguably the most notorious issue with the 3V Triton. It is directly linked to oil pressure and lubrication. Camshaft phasers. These components are part of the VVT system and can fail, leading to a loud ticking or rattling noise, especially at idle. This is often described as a diesel-like sound. Timing chain tensioners and guides. The timing chain guides can wear out or even disintegrate, causing the timing chain to become loose. This can lead to a startup rattle that lasts for a few seconds. If left unchecked, it can cause the chain to rub against the timing cover, creating metal shavings that circulate in the oil and cause further damage. Oil system issues. The 3V engine was designed with very small oil passages and a weak oil pump. Sludge from infrequent oil changes can easily clog these passages, leading to a lack of lubrication for critical components like the camshaft phasers, roller followers, and cylinder heads. This is the root cause of many of the timing-related failures. Oil and maintenance. Due to its oil-sensitive design, oil maintenance is absolutely critical for the 5.4-liter Triton, especially the 3-valve version. Oil type. Ford recommends using SAE 5W, 20 motor oil. Oil change interval. While some manuals might suggest longer intervals, most mechanics and experienced owners strongly recommend changing the oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles with high-quality, full synthetic oil. One or more missed oil changes can be catastrophic for this engine. The oil capacity is approximately 7 quarts, 6.6 liters. Fuel consumption. The 5.4-liter Triton is a large V8 engine and is not known for its fuel efficiency. Real-world fuel economy can vary greatly depending on the vehicle, driving habits, and maintenance. Many owners report getting around 11 to 16 miles per gallon in a mix of city and highway driving. Heavy towing will significantly reduce this number. Summary. The Ford 5.4-liter Triton is a powerful and capable engine that can be a reliable workhorse. However, its reputation is often overshadowed by its specific design flaws, particularly those found in the 3-valve version. The key to its longevity lies in scrupulous and regular maintenance, especially with regards to oil changes. If you are considering a vehicle with this engine, it is crucial to check its maintenance history and be prepared to address the common issues. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.